So, a lot of you have the same question. There's a couple of things to touch on here. To start, what is a court order?
A court order is an order from a judge that requires a party to do or to stop doing a specified act. One recent example is when a judge ordered the Trump administration to release billions of medical research funding it had unlawfully tried to strip away. Now the funding continues to flow, thanks in part to a lawsuit from Democratic attorneys general.
In this case, a court order can make a world of difference. A judge ruled on a question about the law, and now Alzheimer's, cancer, heart disease, and a host of other illnesses continue to be studied to all of our benefit.
Dem-AGs are winning in court, but as we know, Trump often openly defies the rule of law. So the question becomes, what if they win in court, but Trump doesn't care? What if a judge orders Trump to do something and he simply ignores it?
The fact is, even if Trump ignores them, these court orders still really matter. Republicans have decided to rubber stamp whatever Trump wants, which is why the courts and Democratic AGs are so important, acting as checks and balances on the administration. The courts are one of our last available tools to rein in a president who continues to act unconstitutionally.
One reason court orders matter is because they can send a case all the way to the Supreme Court. In the case of birthright citizenship, which Trump tried to abolish on day one, immediately meeting a pair of Dem-AG lawsuits, multiple judges have ruled against the president, noting that birthright citizenship is established in our Constitution clear as day.
Now, to settle the dispute, the Supreme Court has agreed to hear rare May arguments, which is unusual for a court that typically doesn't hear full arguments after April each year. Such action may not have been taken if Dem-AGs hadn't been prepared to fight to defend the Constitution.
Dem-AGs know that these court orders have a real-world impact on Americans. In cases where it appears the Trump administration is acting unlawfully by not following court orders, Dem-AGs are using nationwide town halls to gather information to better equip themselves to take Trump back to court. Stories of community members who have been fired of mass layoffs, received delayed Social Security payments, or have been harmed by the Trump administration in other ways are exactly the people our AGs want to talk to help strengthen their cases against Trump.
So, head to your nearest Dem-AG town hall and join us. We know this can feel like an impossible fight, but we're here to tell you that anything is possible when we, the people, do the work. And Dem-AGs are in this thing for the long haul. We don't know what Donald Trump will do tomorrow, which is why Democratic AGs are working every single day.